I just got my Emeril Lagasse Forever frying pan, so we are going to get started on making some tacos. So we're going to start with the chicken, and we're going to put some spices on the chicken. I'm so excited to try this. Now I'm going to flip over my chicken on the grill plate, and it is amazing because it has these incredible marks. I love it, and I know it's going to taste delicious because the Forever pan, it doesn't stick. So it's not going to taste burnt, and it's going to have a lot of flavor. We are now going to take our tortillas and we're going to warm them up in the Forever frying pan. It really only takes a couple seconds here to warm them up. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put on some lettuce, some tomato, and then we're going to put the chicken on top, and we are ready to try this. It's truly delicious. I really love Emeril Lagasse's frying pans. It makes cooking so easy.